Welcome to the next video on the Escort Mk3 Cabriolet. In this video you'll see me painting above the tank, cleaning it up as well. Before we fit the new fuel tank, you'll see a new fuel tank later, and other bits and pieces that's coming up soon.
Shining brighter than the sun, hits hard like a bullet from a gun. Won't somebody tell me what the hell is going on? Hold on, cause the earth is turning, stars shooting and forests burning. The savior is not returning, she's long, long gone. This is it, these are the dreams that stuff is made from. This is it, this is matter over mind. This is it, these are the dreams that stuff is made from. This is it, this is matter over mind. The white light, time's lost, slipping out through open hands. Find out where the holy mountain stands. Get up and get down before too long. Tell us right from wrong. White light shining brighter than the sun, off track like an asteroid on the run. New skin but it's so identical to the same old song. This is it, these are the dreams that stuff is made from. This is it, this is matter over mind. This is it, these are the dreams that stuff is made from. This is it, this is matter over mind. I don't wanna be remembered, I just wanna be redeemed. I don't wanna be remembered, I just wanna be redeemed. This is it, these are the dreams that stuff is made from. This is it.
Sorry about that, the microphone on my phone wasn't quite working. I was on my own, so I was struggling a little bit. But the paint we're using is the Hammerite paint, as you can see.
I just wanna be redeemed by the white light.
an accident with the paint. I was on my own, and have a guess where it all went. All over the floor. Fantastic. Plus, this is not a lot less colourful language than what I was saying. I'm not going for a show car, I just want it clean, tidy and drivable. That's going to be for the whole of the car. I don't want it fancy or anything like that. Now cleaning the tank strap, painting that as well. The other thing I'm cleaning up will be the accumulator bracket. That's all done in satin black. now cleaning my old fuel sender, which we tested in the previous video and works fine. Now this is saving me a lot of money. On eBay they range from 80 quid up to 299, but the pictures that are on eBay and things, they don't match what I've got, so I don't think I'll be able to find one anyway. Kitty looking after herself. Huh? Crazy cat. Right, now this is a new tank. Crazy cat. Right, that's a tank. That's brand new. I bought it years ago now. I can't remember how much. I think it was 150 quid. I'm not sure. But I'll put a note up telling you how much it was in a sec. Now, the next bit, we've got that nearly done. The next video you'll see us making that, along with getting all the other stuff and other bits and pieces together and made and test fitted to the car. Hopefully, not the next video, but the video after, it might be started. It all depends on when we get things in. I'm waiting for tube for this to be better so as we can bend these to the right shapes. They said that that was going to be posted out today, so we should get it Tuesday, Wednesday next week, but we'll see. There might be a bit of a delay there, but we'll wait and see. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hopefully I can get it back on the road soon.